Hello, my name's Ian Kelleher and this is my presentation on the website that I've developed for basic web design in SAT. So I think I followed a lot of the kind of specifications laid out by Fergal. I've got my image up top here, this kind of layout. I have my active bars up top here, which works quite well. I've got my logo in here. Now it's actually a black and white logo, it's actually the way I designed it, and I got the second one down the end as asked. I've got the social media links all worked up and an intro, and we've columns, so I've everything asked for in here, that's asked for is in here. So next we're on the about page, and again I've got an image, kind of little intro into the website and what it is. Actually, let me talk about that for a second. It's basically a website where writers can leave their writing, their work, so others can view it and critique it, and just for their enjoyment or for whatever reason. And this is the website that I've designed for it. Next, I have my article page. It's all laid out here. A few images. It was hard to kind of come across images, but look, I put something together. They're in there, and it kind of works well. I've got a gallery, you know, with much the same. And on the last page, then I've got my timetable. Now, the one thing I'm on at the moment, still working off at the moment, is the blog, which I'm kind of struggling with. With my CSS and HTML, I kind of rather work this way. I find it a lot easier to work if the CSS and the HTML is on the one screen. But I know that's that doesn't really go with best practices. But look, I may lose a few marks there, but look, I'm willing to do that. And this will be my article page, and I think I've got a kind of good standard. Most things that Fergal's asked for, I kind of got it in there. Now the only thing I am struggling with is the blog. You know, there are some things I don't think I didn't come across in class. I tried Googling the answers and, you know, or Googling the videos and tutorials on YouTube, which I got a lot of kind of help from as well, but I haven't got that either. So back to my website. So again, back to my website, and I look, I've got the logos in there. I've got the main navigation menu and the columns. And again, all the links down there will be active. Just still baffles me how we do this. But look, there we are. We're heading up to Facebook, and we're in. I think it's well designed, well laid out, and I think it works. Hopefully it works, and I get the marks required. Thank you.